Hi everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today I would like to show you how to create a logo in Microsoft Designer. So let's say we have a channel called ProHelper and let's try to create a logo for this YouTube channel. Now I'm already on their official website, designer.microsoft.com. Okay, and if you want to create a logo, you need to click on Create with AI first of all, and after that click on Icons. Click right here, Description, and here you need to describe what you want to create. So you need to come up with a prompt. This is a verbal description of what will be on our logo or icon, what it will look like. Okay, for example, this is a short prompt. This is just an example, and let's try to generate. To do it, just click on generate. Now I have only 15 boosts. Wow, and here's what we got. I like the results a lot. Oh, and by the way, after generation, we have spent one boost. You can see that now I have only 14 boosts. And if you don't like the results, try generating again. Just click on generate and wait again. Okay, so for example, I really like this one. Let's click on it, and after that, click on download. And at the very bottom, click on download again. Here is, you can edit your icon if you want. You can blur it, replace, add brightness, change contrast, and change other options. And now you can use this picture, or you can create a background and add text for the perfect logo. So let's try to do this. Now I suggest you to go to Canva or Photoshop or other graphic designer. Add here your icon. So let's click on Uploads, Upload Files, and find here your logo. Now just drag and drop it onto the workspace. Let's resize it. And now you can add background and add a text. For example, we can use this one. Now let's type here Pro Helper. Let's increase the size. And now let's add a shape. Okay, and now you can change transparency like this. And the last thing that I want to add a background. Or you can just leave it like this. So I like it too. Let's add a shape, resize it. Oh, and we need to bring it forward. So right click, layer, and click on it. And now let's resize this background and change the color, for example. That's the result. So I really like it. Now I can just save it. To do it, click on share at the top right corner and click here on download. Here you can change file type if you want, but let's just click on download and install it on my PC. So I think the result is really amazing, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.